Tired of paying monthly fees for AI image tools? Let's talk about Artistly AI. Hey everyone, today we're reviewing Artistly AI, an image generator that promises unlimited images for one price. No monthly bills, no credit limits. But does it actually deliver? Let's find out. So, what is Artistly AI? It's a tool that turns your words into images. You type what you want, pick a style, and boom, you've got an image. It's made for people who need graphics for social media, ads, t-shirts, or blogs, but don't want to hire a designer. The big selling point? You pay once and use it forever. Most competitors charge you every month. Let's talk features. You get unlimited image creation with no daily limits or higher plans. There's a character tool that keeps faces looking the same across multiple images. Great for stories or brands. You can remove backgrounds, upscale images, edit specific parts of photos, and even create product mockups on mugs and shirts. The text editor adds words to images without the usual AI mess up. Plus, you get different styles like cartoon, realistic, watercolor, and more. Here's what people love. First, the one-time payment. Basic plan is $49, premium is $147, and that's it, no subscriptions. Second, it's super easy to use. Even if you've never done design work, you can figure this out. Third, the company keeps adding new features for free. People who bought it months ago keep getting updates. And fourth, the images actually look good. Not perfect, but way better than you'd expect for the price. Now, the downsides. There's no free trial, so you have to buy it to test it. Some features like the text tool can be hit or miss. You might need to fix things manually, and during busy times, the app can slow down a bit. Also, if you want the fancier features, you need the more expensive plan. So, is it worth it? If you need lots of images and hate monthly payments, yes, it's perfect for small business owners, social media managers, print-on-demand sellers, and content creators. It's not as advanced as Midjourney, but it's way cheaper and easier to use. Just remember, this creates images, not videos. For videos, the same company has a different tool. That's all for today, guys. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.